If you look closely at any successful cosmetic product, the difference is rarely just the formulation. It's about how you innovate, refine, and elevate your formulations. Let's show you how to master the art and science of cosmetic formulation. Creating a brilliant product starts in the lab. The real magic? Transforming your ideas into innovative, high-performance formulas that work for all markets, climates, and skin types. This isn't your average formulation training course. Our advanced training bridges the gap between creative inspiration and technical excellence. We don't just teach you how to make products. We show you how to innovate and set new standards in formulation. You'll master advanced face, body, and hair care formulations. Think barrier repair moisturizers, brightening serums, sulfate-free cleansers, all engineered for real-world performance and innovation. Learn how to align claims, compliance, and cost awareness from day one, so your formulations meet industry standards and deliver results. Curious about best practices? We'll help you avoid common pitfalls. Batch consistency, raw material checks, processing challenges, and quality control are all covered. Plus, our structured approach guides you through every stage of product development, efficiently and safely. It's designed for cosmetic pros, formulators, founders, developers, and anyone passionate about in-house innovation. Don't just make another product. Create a portfolio of innovative, high-quality formulations ready for any challenge. Take charge, advance your formulation skills, and empower your brand with expertise from the inside out. Register now and transform your knowledge into industry-leading cosmetic innovation. To register, click the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com. And one more thing, if you're looking to truly strengthen your expertise, do explore the 24/7 OnlyTRAININGS Academy, where you'll find hundreds of expert-led training courses designed by industry specialists and trusted by working professionals worldwide.